Hello everybody, this is Gut Wellness, and today I'm going to be going over how you can fix constipation or some remedies that you can try. So the first one is, of course, eat more fiber. Now, if you know me and you've seen some of my videos, a lot of them are talking about fiber and the best foods for fiber, because I believe eating fiber is a good enough fix for a large majority of the people watching my videos or with problems in general. So fiber makes your stool softer, so it's easy to pass, and you want to gradually increase the amount of fiber in your diet until you're getting at least 20 to 35 grams. I personally eat closer to 40. Now, check out some of my other videos because I mentioned the best fruits and vegetables, the best foods, the best supplements for fiber. So check those out. I'll leave one at the end of the video. And the second one is probiotics. Now, don't be afraid by the photo. Probiotics are actually good for you. If you're having constipation, you may in fact have digestive issues. And it could be a cause from imbalance in the bacteria that lives naturally in your intestines. So you can supplement it using like vitamins, pills, or you can eat higher foods containing high amounts of probiotics, such as yogurt, fermented foods, stuff like that. Now the third option is the best long-term solution. So the other ones may help, and they probably will. But for me, this is the one that worked best. It's actually a supplement called Sinogut. Now it's a formula that restores the gut lining and grows the bacteria that you need to digest. So I'll go over on the next screen. You can see the supplement facts. It's a natural supplement. Nothing too crazy, no scary ingredients in it. But so it's a 30-day treatment period, and it helps your body relearn how to digest, and it fixes any problems that you may have. Now, they do have a money-back guarantee. So when I tried it, I used it for the 30 days, and it worked really well, so I didn't need to get my money back. But if you're afraid to try it or reluctant, you can always get your money back. So I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. If not, there's the two other options that you can do for free or just with food and supplements. Although I do recommend checking out the link in the description because I think it can help a lot of people. So I hope this video helped you out. Try these methods and let me know how they worked in the comments. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.